Put hydrogen peroxide on your pillows and watch what happens. When was the last time you cleaned your pillows? Come on, be honest. If you're like most people, you wash your sheets regularly, hopefully. You rotate the blankets. Heck, you might even vacuum the mattress occasionally. All the while, your pillows just sit there quietly absorbing sweat, skin oils, hair products, and the humidity from your breath every single night. But if you pay attention, you'll notice that over time they get heavier, slightly discolored, and faintly stale. Well, hydrogen peroxide targets this exact problem. But first things first, check the tags on your pillows to determine whether they are machine washable or spot clean only. Most polyester fill, cotton, and down alternative pillows are designed for machine washing. Many feather and down pillows can also be washed, although they require extra care during drying. For memory foam, the cleaning process is different, but hydrogen peroxide still plays a role, so be sure to stick around for that. All right, if your pillow is machine washable, lay it flat and spray a standard 3% hydrogen peroxide directly onto any visible yellow areas. Grab a soft bristle brush and gently work the peroxide into the stains. Let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, even longer if necessary. After that, it's time to wash. For best results, place 2 pillows in the machine to keep the drum balanced. Use warm water, which helps loosen body oils without damaging fibers. Very hot water can stress the material and cause the fill to clump. And cold water doesn't remove oil buildup very effectively. Add a modest amount of mild liquid detergent. Pillows trap soap easily, so avoid overusing it. Then add 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide directly into the drum or in the bleach compartment. If your pillows have developed a noticeable smell over time, you can add half a cup of baking soda into the drum as well. The peroxide handles oxidation, while the baking soda assists with deodorizing. Select a normal cycle and high spin. When the wash finishes, run an extra rinse cycle. That additional rinse removes detergent that can remain trapped inside thick fill. Skipping this step often leads to stiffness or lingering odor once the pillow dries. And you don't want that, do you? I didn't think so. After washing, remove the pillows immediately and check how heavy they feel. If they seem overly saturated, run another spin cycle to remove excess water. The less water trapped inside, the easier the drying process will be. Speaking of drying, this is where precision matters most. Place the pillows in the dryer on low or medium-low heat. High heat can damage internal fibers and reduce lifespan. Add dryer balls or clean tennis balls to keep the fill moving and prevent clumping. Halfway through the cycle, pause the dryer and manually fluff the pillows. Press into dense areas and separate any clumps you feel forming. Return them to the dryer and continue. Drying can take longer than expected, so just chill and be patient. It's also wise to press into the center of the pillow before removing it. If it feels cool or slightly damp, continue drying. The interior must be fully dry to prevent mildew or sour odors later. After drying, let the pillows sit in open air for about an hour before putting pillowcases back on. This allows any remaining humidity to dissipate completely. Now, if you have memory foam pillows, start by vacuuming the surface using an upholstery attachment to remove dust and debris. Then, mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 2 parts water. Apply the mixture to a cloth and gently blot the stained spots. Repeat with a clean, damp towel. Allow the pillow to air dry in a well-ventilated area. Even better, take it outside and let it dry in the sun. If it still smells funky after it's dry, sprinkle a light layer of baking soda on each side. Let it sit for a few hours, then vacuum again. This method is not as dramatic as washing a pillow in a machine, but it does make a real difference. Okay, one last thing. We also need to talk about timing. Depending on the quality of your pillows, deep cleaning them like this every 3 to 4 months keeps buildup manageable. If you sweat heavily at night or apply thick skincare before bed, cleaning every 2 to 3 months may be more appropriate. Of course, after recovering from illness, washing pillows is also sensible. It's worth mentioning that using pillow protectors under your pillowcases can help extend the time between deep cleanings. They act as a barrier that catches oils before they reach the core of the pillow. Wash the protectors regularly along with your sheets. Although hydrogen peroxide is super effective for a periodic refresh, eventually pillows reach a point where cleaning is no longer cutting it. If the pillow remains folded when bent in half, has persistent lumps that won't redistribute, or no longer supports your neck comfortably, throw them in the trash and get some new ones. Most polyester or down alternative pillows last 1 to 2 years. Down pillows may last longer with proper maintenance, though they still degrade over time. So if your pillows aren't that old but look sad, smell off, or you've realized they've never had a real deep clean, this is your sign. Hydrogen peroxide can help restore their brightness and remove organic buildup. And the difference is very noticeable. The pillow feels lighter, smells neutral, and looks visibly refreshed. So go ahead and give it a try and see the difference for yourself. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share the video with someone who would also benefit from it. For more tips and tricks like this, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.